Top all the name of Almighty Allah, who is the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, the most merciful, the most gracious. My name is Rahman Ali Khan. My presentation topic is fuel wood consumption pattern and its impact on forest ecosystem in Bihar Valley, Swat, Pakistan. Fire is the major source of heat, light, and cooking of wood. Wood has been utilized as primary fuel since the discovery of fire. The discovery of fire is tightly linked with evolutions of civilization, and fire has been essential to human existence since millennia. Biomass account for approximately 14% of total energy used globally, and is the largest energy source for the 3/4 of the world's population who live in developing countries. Although most of the developed world now gets the majority of its energy for cooking and heating from fossil fuel like coal and petroleum. However, wood fuels are still a major source of energy for 15 to 90% people in developing countries. Energy derived from fuel wood is the primary and often the only source of heating, cooking, and other household utilization by local communities and the developing countries worldwide. Tropical rainforests provide the world greater population of fuel wood. Similarly, temperate conifers forest in the Himalaya and other mountainous regions in Asia, Europe, and North America are the greater providers of fuel woods. Dried kettle dung cake and maize cobs are also valuable for fire fuel for cooking and heating in many agrarian societies across the globe. Other sources include wood chips, sawdust, dried leaves fallen in autumn, charcoal, domestic black coal, partially burnt wood, stem of maize and other grasses remain of crops and vegetables, plants, and numerous other sources. A few pictures of the site of the study areas. This is also next. This is also. Introduction continue. Fuel wood harvesting has been linked to deforestation, and the study area, the altitude are high in the winter or hot and cold the summer days, and the pleasant while the nights are still cold. The only fuel wood source are the surrounding moist temperate coniferous and oak forest with no or very little access to modern fuel energy sources. The people ruthlessly cut the forest tree and chop for fuel need, and that causes severe degradation to forest resources. No previous study exists on the wood biomass utilization pattern in Bihar Valley, Swat. Objective: to investigate the consumption pattern of fuel wood along altitudinal, household, and seasonal gradient. The next one is to determine the preferred fuel wood species and their characteristics. Material method. The present research project was carried out in Bihar Valley, Tehsil Mata district, Swat, Pakistan. The reason for selection of the area was based on its suitability for assessing fuel wood consumption pattern due to its high altitude, harsh winter climate, and low temperature, inhabited by rural agrarians and pastoral communities, and its location and temperate coniferous forest zone that provide the only means of fuel wood for the inhabiting population during long snowy winter. Prior to data collection, baseline survey were conducted, and the area and secondary information was obtained from relevant sources including Tehsildar, Forest Department and Union Council offices. The map of the study area Bihar Valley showing location and altitude of villages. A close-up aerial view of the thick temperate coniferous forest near Jarugu waterfall. This continue. The whole area was divided into two zones, and total 166 households were sampled among 17 villages. The survey was conducted for a total of 1 year from October 2016 to September 2017. Time of the year was divided into two seasons, summer and winter. The winter was again divided into two sunny and rainy days, as fuel wood consumption was markedly different only rainy days. The family household size is categorized into three classes: small family 5 to 8 persons, medium family 9 to 15, and large family 16 or more persons. Questionnaires was used for collection based socio-income data. Material methods continue. Questions about fuel wood collection sources, availability, labor, cost, purchase, type, quality, preference, per day consumption, and seasonal variation were asked from the representative of each household. Per day consumption of fuel wood was estimated following the method of Bath et al. We used a spring balance of 50 kilogram weighting capacity for measuring the quantity of fuel wood consumption. Each sample household was visited and they were asked about estimated quantity of fuel wood they burn daily and calculated according to Gupta et al. 1997. Hence, the consumption pattern of different species at different altitude were recorded. Questions were also being asked from the local people about their preference for certain kind of fuel wood species, and mainly related to availability, durability, smoke production, ash formation, flame quality. This is a table list of fuel wood species, local name, zone wise distribution and habit. And the next one is fuel wood species, local name, zone wise distribution and habit. And the other one is list of preferred fuel wood species ranked from 1 to 5 in each village of Bihar Valley. The next one is per capita per day fuel wood consumption in winter, sunny and rainy seasons, and summer in each village of Bihar Valley Swat. And the other one is wood consumption pattern per household and per village, and different seasons of the year in villages of Bihar Valley Swat. Detail of dung consumption, LPG and maize cobs per capita per day in Bihar Valley. Last one is list of hotel and tandoori names, species, local and botanical names, and total use of fuel wood consumption both villages and Bihar Valley. It is concluded from current study that fuel wood consumption varies in Bihar Valley along different seasons, elevation and exposure to sun, household size, socioeconomic condition, and availability of alternate fuel wood sources from orchard palms, cattle dung, maize cob, and LPG. The effect of altitude was not obvious because in lower elevation villages direct exposure to sunlight was hampered by the surrounding tall hills, which also decreases the duration of exposure to sun rays on daily basis. Moreover, the intensity of winds coming from snow in more severe, deep-seated shady watershed and the higher elevation villages extensive exploitation of Carica's pinus, Paratyopsis and Abies parpule wood possesses severe threat to deforestation. The study have also found that the wood produced from pruning of peaches, apples and agroforestry species like popular willow and elder provide a valuable alternative that could best be exploited to conserve the natural forest. Recommendation for conservation of local forest. The goat should provide natural gas to the study area to decrease consumption of forest wood as fuel. The local people must be aware that they should collect fuel only from winter, fall, or naturally damaged or diseased tree. Plantation of repairing wood species and orchard plants like peaches, pear, apple, poplar and willows be encouraged to reduce pressure on wild forestry and shrub. Thank you.